Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I will show you how to make it sound like a voiceover is being slowed down just like a vinyl record going down. Remember, if you want audio production tutorials weekly, like this video and then go ahead and subscribe and ding the bell on my channel so you never miss another video. Right now, we're going to hop into Adobe Audition. I've got a voiceover I just recorded actually, which sounds like this. This is Hot FM. Not too bad at all, is it? I could definitely do with poking it up a bit. So over here in the effects rack, I'm going to add a few non-destructive effects, such as a little bit of EQ. Let's go for parametric equalizer and set this up really quickly. I'm going to roll off a lot of the low end, so I make it sound like a bit of an imaging voice, up to about 295. Oh, that's a bit too much. Let's bring it down to this is 230, and we'll add on some high end as well. This is Hot FM. And then just to make it pop out, I'm going to add in some dynamics as well, and we'll go with a compressor, a ratio of 3, just over 3. This is hot. Okay, nice compression going on there. Limiter on, push the makeup gain up. This is Hot FM. Okay, that's nice. This is Hot F. Just tickling the limiter there. So, okay, that's just a few basics of getting that to sound really good. I might also just add a little bit of modulation. I think I'll go for some flanger. And one of my favorite presets in flanger is oral. This is Hot FM. All right, already we got a kind of nice imaging voice over there, but now we want to make it sound like it's being slowed down, like a kind of record coming to a halt and going like that. So Hot FM, that's what we really want. So I would just take the M here, and you can do all of this, by the way, in waveform. No need to go into multi-track for something like this. M. Okay, so we've got M, and then if we go into effects and we look for time and pitch, and then we go for the pitch bender process, you can actually paint on here what you want to do in terms of pitch. So I could just take this and I could just change this. I could put some keyframes on. So I could put keyframes here and I could just start pulling it down and down and down in pitch. Whoops, I selected the whole thing. Didn't want to do that. Just this little bit. But don't worry if you do that. You can easily go back. Hot FM, like that. There you go. Perfect. That's pretty straightforward and simple. And then I can actually apply that and go back and listen to the whole thing again. This is Hot FM. Very cool. Okay, so coming to a halt there, piece of vinyl coming to a halt, really, really good. And you can do this any which way you like. So again, going back into the time and pitch area, back into pitch bender. There's actually a really cool preset called turntable losing power. You might want to use that. M. That's not quite as dramatic as the one I painted on, so you can see how you can change it. You can also go for, there's some great presets here like Squirrely, which does stuff all over the place. Listen to this. FM. So you can do all kinds of cool stuff. Just winding up will be at the start. and so much more. You can even create your own one. So if you want to go ahead and select the whole piece of audio here, you can kind of change the pitch. So you can go, this is Hot FM, like that. So let's see what happens with this. This is Hot FM. So there's plenty of stuff you can do. It's all using the pitch bender effect. It's really, really cool. Highly recommend that you're going to have a play with that and test it out for yourself. But the turntable losing power effect, or the vinyl coming to a stop, is really easily done in that. Not only on voiceovers, but music as well. Let me know how you get on with this effect and any questions you have in the comments down below.
Music